Popocatepetl Volcano emits high levels of ash into the Gulf of Mexico. Mexico's Popocatepetl volcano has been showing increased activity over the past few days, with significant emissions of ash and SO2 recorded since October 24th. On October 26th, the ash plume was estimated to be about 9.1 kilometers, 30,000 feet, above sea level, extending about 833 kilometers, 517 miles, northeast from the summit into the Gulf of Mexico. The Popocatepetl seismic network records 9 to 89 long-period earthquake events per day, accompanied by emissions of steam and gas. The seismic network also recorded daily earthquakes with periods ranging from 54 minutes to 13 hours and 17 minutes, along with a 35-minute emission episode between October 15th and 16th. The major earthquake episode began at 1747 Coordinated Universal Time on October 20th, accompanied by a column of gas and ash rising 2 kilometers, 6,562 feet, above the crater and incandescent material being ejected a short distance from the crater. Ashfall was reported at Ozumba, 18 kilometers, 11.2 miles W, Lalmanalco, 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles N, and Ecatzingo, 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles SW, in the state of Mexico, and at approximately 9:58 in Tlalnepantla, 80 kilometers, 49.7 miles northwest, Tlayacapan, 40 kilometers, 24.9 miles southwest, and Totolapan in Morelos State, according to El Centro Nacional de Comunicación y Operación de Protección Civil, CENACOM. Volcanic activity at the volcano increased further on October 22nd, with continuous ash emissions observed at 7:06 Coordinated Universal Time, rising to 6.1 kilometers, 20,000 feet, above sea level. At 0:06 Coordinated Universal Time on October 23rd, volcanic ash was reported to have reached 6.7 kilometers, 22,000 feet, above sea level and extending 130 kilometers, 80 miles, northwest of the summit. Mexico's National Center for Disaster Prevention, CENAPRED, reported 22 exhalations and 1,007 minutes of tremors at the volcano in the 24 hours to 1700 Coordinated Universal Time on October 23rd. In the 24 hours to 1700 Coordinated Universal Time on October 24th, 45 exhalations accompanied by water vapor, volcanic gases and ash were detected. In addition, high-frequency, low-amplitude tremors were recorded for 908 minutes. As of 1700 Coordinated Universal Time on October 25th, CENAPRED recorded 1,005 minutes of high-frequency, low to moderate amplitude tremors and 24 exhalations. During the morning and at the time of this report, continuous emissions of water vapor, volcanic gases and ash were observed with a distribution towards the northeast, NE. CENAPRED volcanologists reported at 1700 Coordinated Universal Time.